Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to my live trading, first ever live trading. I'm gonna do this at the part of the Road to Success series as well. So, this is part 115, I believe, or 16, 115, 16. Fuck. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this live trading, and yeah, peace out. Yo, what's good, YouTube man? Welcome to live trading. This is gonna be my first ever live trading. Actually, gonna record this time and I literally just got on the charts. It's currently 15:02 and market opens in 28 minutes, 27 and a half minutes. So this was the stock I was looking at yesterday, as you can see. So what I want to do is just delete that and start looking for new stocks for today. So the way I do this, go to the screener, look at the stocks. UCAR just started moving like right now. So I'm gonna have this on the watch list to see what it does. AAUD, this nothing. CYCN. Um, okay, it's looking good. Let's check the float. The float is 2 million. Okay, I will keep this. I like the structure. I like the way it's been gapping up. I'm going to mark out right there. Pre-market high is at 130. 130. So not 131. 130. So that can be a good stock. BCG. No, I don't really like this. The float is good, but I don't really like it. But I'm still gonna have it on the watch list. D. No, I don't like this. I don't like this. This is too expensive. RENX. That looks good. RENX. The float is not specified. How much is the volume? Volume is 800 and the market cap is 4 million. So the float is around 1 million and we're gapping up 30%. So not the most. This might not do anything, but I'm gonna keep this here. It's good price, good float, good volume, and good market cap. So I'm gonna keep this and see what it does. So now I have scoped out a few stocks that looks interesting. I'm gonna wait until I'm gonna go. I can't go outside today because I usually go outside, walk for around 20 minutes before going into back to the market to get in a clear mindset. I can't do that right now because it's snowing extremely outside. So I'm just gonna do some breathing exercises, just step away, do something without my phone, just get in a clear mindset, and then I'm gonna be ready for trading. So I'll see you guys when it's almost market open. Okay, we're back and market just opened 45 seconds ago and I'm back. I did some breathing exercises. I'm ready. I'm calm. Nothing of the market affects me. I'm not emotionally attached to anything. I'm just completely calm, okay? I'm just looking at this objectively. UCAR started dumping immediately and RENX made like all the way back down to VWAP and made its way back up. It kind of started pumping right before open, which I don't really like. It might be some insiders, I don't know. I need this to go up 10% for me to consider an entry, and that's 270. I need this to break 270 for me to consider an entry right now. It's currently at 260. Let's see how it reacts to VWAP. VWAP is a very strong point, and I just want to see what it does. So yeah. Uh, Okay, what is this? This had like actually like a very strong open, this one, but you see this rejection, bro. At 660 it's probably gonna reject. This rejection I don't like at all. Uh Not the best. It's up 10% soon, but I don't really like it. I feel like it's overextended, bro. I feel like this needs to go down. This is so overextended in my opinion. So in my eyes, this is very overextended. So I'm not gonna trade this. Let's see how this is reacting to V. Okay, went a little above pre-market high. Let's see. Okay, went above pre-market high. Let's see how if it closes above or below. That's a really big indication. If it closes above, you see it's finding support right now on pre-market high as well. So this might actually be like a really good trade. Broke 270. A trade might be incoming right now. So we might be looking for an entry soon. And yeah, RENX is pumping now. This has made a really good move. So I want to see kind of a pullback. I'm gonna get my order ready because I don't want to be behind on my order and like stress with my order. So I want to go in with 7,000. And if my stop loss is okay, that's kind of a big stop loss, but 4.5 down, then I'm risking around 1%. Doesn't seem to give us a pullback though. Doesn't seem to give us a pullback right now. So I'm just gonna wait and see what it does, honestly. So yeah, currently finding some resistance at 290. Broke 290. Now $3 is the next like psychological resistance point. $3. I'm gonna mark this out actually. $3 so we can see how it reacts. So I want this. You see the dips are being bought back up really well right now. So if this gives me like an opportunity, I think I'm gonna take it. So shares are being bought back up really well right now. Shares are being bought back up perfectly. Super low volume and all of that. So I actually kind of like this setup. Now the next resistance point is $3. We are very close to $3. Uh, but this looks like a really good setup in my opinion. It could be finding resistance 290, but I'm willing to take this trade. Honestly, I'm willing to take this trade. It's getting bought back up. Everything looks good. Might be a little bit overextended. Would be cool if it gives us like a two candle pullback right now. Oh wow. Am I gonna get in this? I don't think I'm getting in there, bro. That's a really impulsive move right there. What the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck was that? I'm not getting in there. I'm not getting in there. That was too quick for me. That was too quick for me. That was so quick and it left this huge topping tail. I'm not getting in there, bro. I'm not getting in. I'm canceling this. That was so sketchy. Holy shit. Okay. I'm glad I went out of there, so I didn't take that setup. I wanna see how it reacts to $3 now. This looks like it might fail or just continue upwards. I don't know. This is very, very weird. Closing below $3. I'm not gonna take this setup right here because I don't trust it when it's below $3 right now. So yeah, you see this dump? It's kind of holding its level right here, holding this level really well. I wanna look at the other stocks. So UCAR is actually moving now. UCAR. Oh wow. Okay. This is very interesting for me. I like this a lot. Resistance at 75, 0.75. Can I turn off notifications? Like, can notifications stop coming? Okay, 75 is psychological resistance. As you can see, the high of the candle is exactly 0.75. I want to see how it reacts to this. If it breaks this, what's gonna happen? Hopefully it gives us like an actual pullback. Did it halt here? No, it didn't. Okay, if we go back, this has been over $1, so the chance of this breaking 0.75 is actually kind of high in my opinion. So, but I want to see what it does. I'm gonna get my order ready right here. Where is it? There. Okay, yeah. Look at that dump from 75 right there. That's huge. But look at the way it got bought back up right there. So I'm not gonna enter off this because this is a 6% body candle. The body of this is 6%, so maybe a delayed bull flag would be nice because you see the resistance right here at 75. This high was not 75 exactly, but I think we can. Why is my TP all the way up here? Wait, what? Where the hell is my TP? No, 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 no. Take, give me that back. So like that. Okay. Wait, I'm kind of cooked right now. So I'm looking willing to. Mm, I'm willing to take this delayed bull flag right here. Okay, that's quite a big. Okay, it hasn't broken yet, so I actually don't trust this a lot. It doesn't break it, bro. It's just hitting this level and never breaking it. Rejection, rejection. This looks like it's gonna fail probably. Since we just made like a really big move here, uh it's not crazy to think we're gonna go sideways for a little bit. So I'm just gonna wait a few minutes, see what it does. Hopefully it doesn't move without me. I think this is just gonna go sideways for a little bit, not do anything. Okay, as you can see, it's finding a lot of resistance right here. It's rejecting 3 times here at 0.72. 0.72 exactly. So I'm happy I didn't get in there. I would have taken an L right now, and it created a bear flag, not a bull flag. So I'm happy I didn't take that. Stayed out. Good patience right there. Let's look at RENX. This is also just. I'm happy I didn't take this bear flag. If I took this bear flag, I would be out. I would be done for the day. Okay, now, okay, now we're met with like a kind of a weird situation right here. 3 stocks is moving simultaneously, so this is not very good. 3 stocks is moving simultaneously. Uh, Today is very crazy. This is actually very crazy. I have not seen this in a long time. So, okay, UCAR, it's finding support off this. So this is a very good sign. It's finding support off pre-market high, but we have some resistance at 0.70. So, and I have belief that this might reach $1. Maybe. This just halted. Yeah, this halted. Obviously, it's gonna be a 5-minute halt. RENX is also making a move back up, also finding support off this. Is this gonna break $3 now? Finding some rejection, finding some resistance. Uh, this is crazy, bro. This is very hectic. Ooh, entry off there wouldn't be the worst, but you have this resistance here at 0.72 and the 0.75. So I want this to break here and here. But let's look at the 5-minute first. So this is looking really, really good at the 5-minute. Holy shit. Okay. It's looking really bullish at the 5 minutes. I want to get in here at this level right here. Actually, I want to get in here at this level right here. So let's go over at the 1 minute. It's kind of breaking that right now. Ooh, that would have been a goated entry right here, bro. It would have been a goated entry. Because I think from here, how many minutes more do we have left on the 5-minute? So the 5-minute is currently bullish. I kind of want this to be bearish though, so I can get an entry. Because you see the way it's been bought back up from 9 EMA. It's currently making new highs almost. It's gonna retest the 75. I kind of missed my entry there, but that's okay. It's gonna retest 75. It's gonna push past now. Yeah, push past. Push past that high. Now finding some rejections. Pushing past. Oh yes, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Oh man, I missed my entry kinda. I kinda missed my entry on this. The U card, the best trade was down here. After it was finding support off this and then the delayed bull flag, this would have been so good, bro. Okay, but we can't do anything about it now. We gotta focus. So if it creates a bull flag here, then I'm definitely interested. This could reach $1. This could reach $1, and yeah, man. Let's just see what it does. Made a nice move right here. This is still halted. RENX made a what the fuck move. I haven't taken a trade yet. Like, RENX just made a huge fucking topping tail. I'm gonna focus on UCAR right now. This looks like it's giving a good pullback. I'm gonna get, oh man, it's gonna be a bullish candle. It's gonna break past. Yeah. Man, that entry was crazy, bro. Okay, I'm not gonna trade UCAR right now. RENX, what are you doing, bro? What the hell are you doing right now? Okay, I haven't taken a trade yet. Why? There was a good setup, but I missed it at 1542. Should have been my entry right there. I would have been up. That might be my problem though. Okay, it's moving very slow. I don't really know. This looks like the top of the move actually. Looks like the top of the move. Rejection at 0.8. Giving us a pullback. There's lower volume on the pullback, so this actually could be an entry. And we could go for $1. But the topping tail makes me want to stay out. Yeah, the topping tail makes me want to stay out of this right now. So I want to see what it would have done if I took an entry here. My stop needs to be really fucking tight. If I went for here, makes me want to stay out the stopping tail. Okay, let's see what it would have done. UCAR is still finding a resistance, 8 cents. There it broke. It broke. That was a strong break. But it's gonna, this, oh, 0.82 is gonna break that as well. Oh, wow, bro. Wow, bro. I really fumbled, bro. I really fumbled. I should have taken that trade. Should have taken that trade, bro. Look, it's gonna play out. Look at it playing out, bro. This is giving a kind of pullback. I'm not gonna enter off this pullback though because it has higher volume as you see, so it's not really doesn't look clear to me what I'm gonna do right now. So now it's finding support off 9 EMA. Okay, that would have stopped me out, so that's good. I didn't take that trade. So yeah, UCAR is the only option right now. This setup right here is actually looking very tempting right now. Hold on. If the shares are being bought back up from here, the share, okay, that's kind of bad. Shares being bought back up, that's nice. Shares being bought back up, still hovering over 90 EMA. Gonna get my entry ready right here. Now if this does something good, the fuck is happening? Hold on. Okay, now this is confusing me kinda. Hmm. I'm really considering in this entry right now, bro. This would be a loss anyway. This would be a loss right here. Yeah, you see? Oh, it would have been a loss, bro. So I'm glad I didn't take that, bro. Hold on, let's look at the 5 minute. Let's look at the 5 minute right now. 5 minute is looking healthy. 5 minute is looking healthy right now. 5 minute is looking very healthy in a strong trend. Is it crazy to say we might reach 0.95 or $1? Is this crazy to say? I don't think so. We've been on $1 before. So this might actually be like a very good 5 minute setup though. If this gets bought back up from 90 MA right here. Uh, 5 minute is looking good. It gets bought back up really nicely. I like the 5 minute though. I really like the 5 minute, but the chances of it hitting my stop loss when entering off the 5 minute is very high. That's something I learned. Whenever you, where was this at, bro? This was at 75, no? Right there. Getting bought back up from 75 as well is a really good sign. I like that a lot. From this high right here, finding support off this, then reversing, could be the move. Could be the move, then reversing back up because you see we're going in this trend right here. Boom up, boom up, boom up. You see? So I want to catch the bottom of that almost. So, which this could be actually. This could be the bottom right here. And then I could have my stop loss down here. Then I'm risking 384 for 1,500. So that would be a good entry. And I'm liking the way it's getting bought back up, but it's still finding some resistance. Let's take another look at the 5 minute. So this is the last minute. This is the last few seconds of this candle on the 5 minute. Oh man, I keep messing that up. So let's see what it's gonna do. The volume has been dying down, which is not a great sign. But I think this is a good trade actually. I think this is possible. I had good patience. I have like a clear bias that this is gonna continue higher. It might give us 2 candles pullback, so we might need to wait for a few more minutes. I'm gonna pop a schnee. I'm gonna pop a schnee real quick. I just gotta stay patient right now. So yeah, I'm waiting for UCAR to make a move right now. UCAR has been at $1 before, but it keeps finding resistance right here. Okay, now don't FOMO into the trade, okay? Don't FOMO into it. Okay, now this is going back down here. Okay. How does it react to 75? Oh, wow. Was not worth, bro. Was not worth it right here. Yeah, that pretty much makes it a no trade day almost. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a no trade day, bro. Today was crazy. Today was really crazy. The setup I should have taken was on UCAR. This trade right here. This delayed bull flag because it was finding resistance, finding support off pre-market high got bought back up, then uh but I missed this. I wasn't like watching it to witness it. So yeah, this was a really good move, honestly. This was a really, really good move. So that was the trade I should have taken. So let me just go do something and then I'm gonna start the review. I'm gonna write the review, go over it, and then we're basically done for the day. So yeah, guys, peace out. Yo, what's good, guys? Okay, we're done trading. As you can see, UCAR made a move back, made a new high. Not gonna trade this. I've already traded for 45 minutes, and that's already 15 minutes over what I initially do. So end of the end of the day, gray, no trades, as you saw. Skipped out on a few bad setups that would have lost, which is a really good thing. And yeah, the only good setup was this right here on U card. This was the only good setup. It was pulling back, finding support. It made a huge move right here, which then it's reasonable to say that this will go sideways for a few minutes. Went all the way back down to pre-market high, retested pre-market high, and found a lot of support. Could have entered off this delayed bull flag, had take profit up here somewhere at 8 cents, and this would have been a banger trade. So this was the only good trade today, which I should have caught, but I was not focusing on UCAR. I was looking at RENX at that time, as you saw in the recording, and I missed the trade. So this was the best setup today, which I missed, but ended the day with 0 trades and 0 losses, which is good. So didn't force any bad trades. Tried to get in over here, but when this dumped, I didn't focus on it anymore and went over to RENX. CYCN also made a move, but this is genuinely untradeable. So yeah, let's just get through the notes really quickly. As it was a 0% 0 kroner, no trade day, daily rating 8 out of 10, emotional control 9 out of 10, 0 rules broken and 0 trades taken. It was a very hectic day with 3 stocks in focus. Hard to know which one is correct and missed out on the only good setup when I was paying attention to other stocks. All in all, ended the day gray slash empty, which is good. Stayed out of multiple bad trades and stayed very patient. Still need to work on execution and identifying the right stock to focus on. So my lesson for today is to be ready to execute and learn more how you can identify which stock to focus on and pay attention to. Good day with no forced trades. So I didn't force any bad trades. Today was a very hectic day with a lot of stocks moving. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This was the review. You saw the live trading, and yeah, man, gotta do this tomorrow as well. And Friday is market closed, and I'm gonna do this on Monday as well. So stay ready, guys, and peace out.